Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the silver swag box. I believe this is the April box, so we got it a little bit early. We'll see in just a moment. I'm pretty sure the last one I opened was March. That month flew by. Does every month though now? I feel like it does. But anyways, this is a subscription box that is lifestyle centered. It is for adults and seniors, and it gives you items to help engage in fun activities, conversation. I only received one box so far of this and I loved it. It was all about like gardening and stuff like that, and the theme was so cute. I loved all the items inside. I planted the basil seeds like a few days ago. I don't really see anything yet, but like, yeah. So yeah, that wasn't that long ago, was it? I guess I didn't plant them right away, but anyways, I really like the box is my point. So it is $49.99 per month, and there is like a pop-up when you go to the website, which I'll link down below, to get $10 off. So this is kindly sent to me free for review. Thank you, Silver Swag Box, but not sponsored and no affiliate links. So yeah, all down below if you are interested. Let's get started. That's what the box looks like. Yeah, it's April. Look how cute it's packaged. Hello, April. Love the yellow. I think there was green tissue last time. Oh, I'm hungry. The theme is Taco Tuesdays. Okay, so yeah, I wasn't sure what box I was getting when I went on their website to double check information. It looks like you have until April 10th to order the April box, just FYI. Silver Swag Box prevents Taco Tuesdays. Oh, I want tacos so bad. On the back it says, let's taco about it. We're divided on these taco night staples. Where do you stand? Warning, discuss these questions carefully to avoid your Taco Tuesday becoming a food fight. Is a taco a sandwich? Why or why not? No. Because sandwich is like two different pieces on top that like squish it together, you know? That's my reasoning. Soft shell or crunchy? I like soft. If you had to pick only one, tacos, burritos, or nachos? Ooh, I love nachos, but I love tacos. Burritos is last. Right now I want tacos. Oh my god, the next question. Best chip dip, salsa, guacamole, or queso? Guac. I love guac shit. I need to order some Mexican time, excuse my language. I don't know why I'm saying excuse my language. We can swear on this channel. By the way, leave your answers down below. Fast food tacos, Mexican restaurant tacos, or homemade tacos? Mexican restaurant. Refried beans or black beans? Black beans. And the last question is, what is the best taco filling? Beef, fish, veggies, or something else? Veggies. Oh my god, there's this place called Tacos and Tequila in Florida. I think there's like two of them here. I don't know if it's a chain elsewhere, but my favorite taco there is called the Idaho taco. Oh man, my stomach's like grumbling thinking about it. It has like potatoes, cheese, and all this yummy stuff in it. It's so good. They have like a kimchi one too. You know what I'm doing after this. It's like 4 p.m. when I'm filming. I'm totally gonna get Mexican for dinner. My parents come in the morning, and I'm so excited. So I'm not gonna go out tonight, so I'm definitely gonna order in. But anyways, let's keep on this going before I start fantasizing totally about food. Ooh, so this is everything that's inside. I'm not gonna peek too much at it. You guys, there's so much stuff in here. It looks so cute. There's some stickers right on top, or one sticker. Oh, I think there's little treats. Live every day like it's Taco Tuesday. That's so cute and perfect for this box. And then there's little candies on top. Chippin' dippin' and margarita sippin'. What a mark. I'll have one for lunch tomorrow probably. My parents get in early and we're going out to lunch to this place. Yeah. I'm getting excited. Can't touch this. So yeah, there's little candies here. Little extra candies. Let's start with what I can see. This is like a little plush thing. Let's get this out. It's it's Tuesday somewhere. Okay, I just tacos in my mind. I can only read the word taco. This is cute. This is by Punchkins. Let's see, what does it say? It's Tuesday somewhere plush. Let's talk about how cute this plushie is, reminding us that delicious tacos are never too far away. I honestly love this. Let me just like have you hang out here. Look at his little feet. Oh, I'm kind of far away. But my tripod's like connected all the way over there, so this is like as close as I can get it. Ooh. Sensational skillets, everyday gourmet, weeknight cheesy taco skillet. Oh my god, what is this? I can see that there's like macaroni or like whatever noodle. What would you call that? I think. Let's see what it says. From your pantry, you'll need cooked or grain ground beef. Nah. Chicken stock, tomato sauce, shredded cheddar cheese. Damn it, I need groceries so bad. I don't have anything. But so there's pasta in here and some like seasoning and stuff. Sweet. So this is like a skillet that you have with your tacos, or it goes in your tacos. So you combine the contents of this package, the ground meat. I don't eat meat, but you can use like tofu stuff, I guess. Okay, so this goes in your tacos. I'm so hungry. This is awesome though. I'm totally gonna make this because this itself is vegetarian. We've got some treats. Hammond's cinnamon churro marshmallows. Soft, spice, and sweet. Ooh. Yum. This looks really good too. Unwind and indulge with a cinnamony sweet treat. These handmade small batch marshmallows are sprinkled with the blended cinnamon sugar mixture, low in calories, and delightfully indulgent. They are the perfect spice snack. Okay, this just reminded me of something. I haven't watched beauty YouTube in forever. I've been just like in my own little spiritual bubble doing my thing for a long time now. But I remember like Jen from Jen Loves Reviews started a marshmallow company, like kind of like this, like special, like small batch, like, you know, unique marshmallows. Is she still doing that? And have any of you guys tried it? I'm intrigued. Totally forgot about that, her in general. Ooh, now, the last thing in here, is this going to be something to like eat your tacos with? How cute! They're for dips. Chunky Dunk Skinny Dip. Oh my god, these are so cute. By Magnolia Lane. These are microwave safe, dishwasher safe. Oh my, they're so cute. Let me take them out. Skinny dip. This one's here. Chunky Dunk. And I love a good dip. I love food so much right now. I'm so sad. Oh, that was so good, you guys. I thought that was cute. And the theme, oh my god, it has me hungry. Emmy, you want to play with the string? She's on her cat tree over there. She's so cute. She was sleeping all day. Now you're awake. So this is awesome. It gives you like some things you need for your Taco Tuesday or any, like, I think you can have tacos any night. It's Friday when I'm filming this. Damn, I want to go out for a marg. I wish you guys were like my in real life friends so I can be like, you do want to go eat or cook from home. I've got the food, you bring the margs, yeah. But this is fun. And you could probably just eat this as a pasta if you wanted and not, you know, if I get like desperate for food, which I am right now, but I don't have any cheese. Cheese is essential. But yeah, everything is good. It makes me really hungry. This is really cute. This little guy. But yeah, that was everything, you guys. Again, I will link Silver Swag Box down below if you guys are interested in subscribing. And speaking of subscribing, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this video, it really helps our channel out. Leave a comment if you feel called to do so. And have a great day. Let me know, are you doing anything fun this weekend? I would love to hear from you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.